Hi guys, if you can hear somewhere, it's the kettle. So it is Tuesday the 6th of January. Back to normality. Where, do you know what I mean, before nursery and that. As it snowed where you are, obviously this video will not be going out until 14th. So this is about 2 weeks into the future, but I wanted to, you know, just film us going back to school and that, do you know what I mean? I hope everyone's had a good week, good start to 2026. So what I tend to do is do breakfast. She normally has some toast and all, then I'll put my husband's like breakfast. I don't put his milk and the cereal, and then like put his coffee on the side, put coffee in the coffee mug to keep it nice and warm, ready for work. And then yes, sort myself out. I'm pretty much back on my diet, so I'll need the shake. But yes guys, so I thought I'll check in, and I'm gonna do that and catch up with you later. Where do you want it, baby? Hi guys. So from the clips you've just seen, that's actually a different day. So back to school was yesterday, which was the 6th of January. Everything was fine until I says, "Oh, we're going to get ready. What are we getting ready for? Nursery." She just literally broke down crying, guys. Worst she'd ever been. My mum had to... Well, no, I'm jumping ahead of myself. So like I said, it was a battle. I says, come on, baby. We got downstairs. She would not put shoes on. So I said, come on, we'll go and build a snowman. Just to get her shoes on. Then when we were outside, she quickly realised, I'm going to nursery. So yeah, so she basically was not happy. My mum had to pick her up and walk her halfway to the nursery. Our nursery is only like about 4 minutes away. It's not long, it's only down the road. Got there, cry. And the teachers obviously spoke to, well, as much as I can, because they could see that she was crying. And they tried to say to me, oh, they normally feel like this when they come back. And I literally said, hold on, no. The week before she actually went on holiday, she was like this. Something's changed. Her behaviour's changed, her demeanour's changed. She's lost that spark of loving nursery. She used to love nursery. Now it's a battle to get her there. So yesterday was a really, really bad day for, particularly me, like, for being a parent. It's hard anyway. My anxieties is through the roof. Like, it's hard work, guys. And like, you want this perfect life. Like in my head, I expected I was just gonna have the perfect, not the perfect life, because nothing's perfect, but I mean, right, this is gonna be and you know what? Nothing like that has happened. Like, I had a lovely day planned. I thought, do you know what I mean? But end of the day, my child will always come first. That's why I couldn't really film, because she was literally in hysterics. So I spoke to my mate who had a problem with her lad. And you know what? You don't realise what parents... You don't realise what happens behind closed door. Like I said on my Facebook that social media is a lie. You only see what you want people to see. It's not real life. Like, do you know what I mean? Honestly, yeah, I did struggle last night. I thought, and she's all the daddy know. I feel like she's gone off me. I know she's not going to go off me because I'm a mum, but in my head, I'm like, oh my God. So, yeah, so anyway, my mate said, right, this is what we did. we had like a vision board so they know what they're doing every day, giving like treats for completing like nursery, because this is nursery, guys. I know she doesn't have to go, but you think about it, if she doesn't go to nursery by the time she's 5 and she's got to go to school, she's going to dread going. She's not going to want to. Everyone's going to be making friends. It's going to be even harder for her. So I am gritting my teeth and being stern, which, yeah, but it is hard. So anyway, yesterday I was up here. She was playing on his iPad, so I literally right, look at me. I'm not going to talk to you until you look at me, so I know you understood me. And I just said, right, this is the plan tomorrow. We're going to get up, have breakfast, get ready, and go to nursery. Because unfortunately, Mummy and Daddy cannot help you with the nursery. Because when we do tell her what's the matter, don't we? We have said, what's the matter? And all she keeps saying is, I don't want to go. And I'm like, baby, but that we can't help you with that. Like, if that's all you're saying, like you don't want to go, there's nothing we can do, unfortunately. So every time I even talked about it, I would break down crying. I couldn't even settle. Like today, I'm settling. Like I'm busy doing the house, cleaning up, because I know, like, she was a lot better. Which again, I'm jumping the gun. Slow down, Tracy. So anyway, and I says to my husband that put her to bed, I went, right, before she goes to bed, mention about nursery again. Right, this is what we're doing. And this morning we woke up, she was like, is it time for nursery yet? I don't know if in her head she's like, oh, I've got to get going. I don't know, because she did keep going on about it. But anyway, obviously she went to the toilet on her own. I'm so proud of her. She could pull her pants up and down. Oh my god, she is literally, like, expectations is literally growing. But then, like, when it comes to doing things, she doesn't really want to do it. So anyway, we did it like as right, this is what we're doing now, and then we're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. So I do actually need to look on Pinterest, because I've heard that is actually an amazing website to go on for like a vision board. That's what I want to do. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'm going to show her. Obviously, I'm not going to put it all on, but like tomorrow, which is Thursday, right, this is what we're doing. Get up, have breakfast, brush treat. I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to see if I can design it. But obviously, I will show you after I've done it. I just feel like, I know, like telling all you lot, this is like my way of escaping, because I know a lot of parents out there, mums, dads, have struggled with this, and I thought I was the only one. I didn't realise until I put on social media and I'm getting messages, people ringing me who I don't speak to every day and just saying, look, we've got you. It's just like parents do actually come together. But anyway, today we did it like that. We went to nursery. She hugged one of her friends, which just lately she's kind of been a bit of a loner, but no, she hugged one of her friends. Time to go in. I'm looking at her, because my anxiety is through the roof, guys. It's like, oh my god, is she gonna like it? I always dread that my phone's gonna ring, but the teacher said as soon as we go, she enjoys it. So I'm thinking is anxiety, separation anxiety. That's what I'm actually putting it down to, guys. So I know this is like a long like talk, but I need to get it out, because it's like sometimes you can't really talk to your family and friends. Like, you're my little darlings. And I know if this video reaches anyone, and just please comment just to let me know, does it get easier? When did it get easier? It's like we're eating like chicken and that. Everything is such a struggle. Yesterday I just felt like I had to come upstairs just to have a minute. And when we did actually come upstairs, we started playing, we were fine. So yeah, so obviously when she did a name, she gave me a cuddle, and I thought, oh my god, here we go. But she wasn't crying. I just literally like said, oh my god, there's loads more to play with than at home and stuff like that. And then one of the teachers came and said, Sophia, do you want to cuddle? And then I left, no crying. So today has been a positive day, because when I pick up, she's always fine. So yes, guys. So yesterday I couldn't really film anything. But yeah, so today I'm just going to do a bit of cleaning. I'm hoping to do a bit of yoga. And then we'll go and pick her up together, see what she's like. She don't really tell us much about nursery, but we'll see what she says anyway, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and yeah, let's get on with the day's vlog. It seems though this is a good day. Just on my way to pick up my little darling. Like literally, it's not that big of a walk, to tell you the truth. I haven't even been in the shower. Oh, it's bloody freezing. But yeah, so we'll see what she's like when she comes out, guys. See you in a bit. Give me an A. A. Give me a O. O. Give me an I. I. Give me an O. O. What does that spell? Mario. I need toes. Right, you ready? Give me a T. T. Give me a O. O. Give me an A. A. Give me a D. D. And that spells. Oh, yay! Oh, I need one more. One more. I need Peach. Am I doing Princess Peach or just Peach? Just Peach. Give me a P. Give me a E. Give me a A. Give me a C. Give me a H. What does that spell? Yay! How about you? Right, so. Mommy. Yes, baby. I am going to spell my name. You have to spell your name one more. Right, give me a T. T. Give me a O. Give me an A. A. Give me a C. C. Give me an E. E. Give me a Y. Y. And what does that spell? No, Tracy. So, you've been playing with babies today then? Have you had fun today? Yeah. Good. I'm glad you've enjoyed it, baby. I gave these singing. And then you started singing too? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, watch your sandwich, baby. It's nice to see you. Very, very happy. But you know what to expect tomorrow now, don't you, baby? Which I'll talk more tonight. Can I have a cuddle? Do you want to ring Mama? Or no? Yeah. So we ring Mama. So yes, guys, I do feel like I'm going to end the vlog here. Because I am a bit conscious how long it actually is after me waffling. Sorry, guys. I just felt really better since talking to you. But that's basically our morning. Like, exactly what you seen with the first bit of the video. When we're doing a breakfast, that's what she has. Obviously, we do her some toast and jam. And then we go upstairs. She'll have a bit of play while I get ready. Brush teeth and everything. And then she will brush her teeth. Get ready. And then literally walk to nursery. And then I'll come back and just potter around, get the house tidy, do a bit of yoga, do some editing, whatever I need to get done. And yeah, that's basically it. And I'll speaking to her about nursery more, because I do feel like we do need to mention nursery quite a lot. So she just sat down now watching Mario, eating lunch. I'm going to do her some fruit. And then basically what we do, it'll be nap time, because she still very much relies on her nap. We was literally going to drop it for an hour, but I think an hour and a half. Do it gradually. I think she's all right. Obviously in September she will be going full time. I don't even want to think about that though, so let's stop that right now. But yeah, and then we'll wait for Daddy to get home, depending what we have, whether we need to go shopping and that. And then we'll do tea, and then the evening will start, which obviously I will show you in a vlog of more in depth. But yeah guys, so please comment, give it a thumbs up if you like my content, subscribe. It really does help a small channel like myself grow. Yeah, so hopefully I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye guys. I do feel like I'm going to end the vlog here, because I am a bit conscious how long it actually is after me waffling. Sorry guys, I just felt really better since talking to you. But that's basically our morning, like exactly what you seen with the first bit of the video, when we're doing a breakfast. That what she has. Obviously we do her some toast and jam, and then we go upstairs, she'll have a bit of play while I get ready, brush teeth and everything, and then she will brush the teeth, get ready, and then literally walk to nursery, and then I'll come back and just potter around, get the house tidy, do a bit of yoga, do some editing, whatever I need to get done, and yeah, that's basically it. And I'll speaking to her about nursery more, because I do feel like we do need to mention nursery quite a lot. So she's just sat down now watching Mario, eating lunch. I'm going to do her some fruit, and then basically what we do, it'll be nap time, because she still very much relies on her nap. We was literally going to drop it for an hour, but I think an hour and a half. Do it gradually. I think she's all right. Obviously in September she will be going full time. I don't even want to think about that though, so let's stop that right now. But yeah, and then we'll wait for Daddy to get home, depending what we have, whether we need to go shopping and that, and then we'll do tea, and then the evening will start, which obviously I will show you in a vlog of more in depth. But yeah guys, so please comment, give it a thumbs up if you like my content, subscribe. It really does help a small channel like myself grow. Yeah, so hopefully I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.